Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining me on today's walk. In this video, we're exploring Ewha Womans University in Seoul, a campus known for its beautiful architecture, relaxed atmosphere, and its role as one of the most respected women's universities in the world. As we move through the area, you'll notice the blend of modern design and natural scenery. The campus is filled with open green spaces, tree-lined paths, and a mix of historic buildings and contemporary structures. Even if you're just visiting, it's a calm and refreshing place to walk around. Ewha has been an important institution since its founding in 1886, and it continues to be a center for education, culture, and creativity. Many visitors come not only for the academic reputation, but also to enjoy the surroundings, take photos, and experience a quieter side of Seoul. One of the highlights of Ewha is the unique architectural style found throughout the campus. You'll see traditional stone buildings with classic designs, as well as striking modern structures that stand out for their clean lines and impressive scale. The combination gives the campus a distinctive character that's both elegant and contemporary. As we continue through different parts of the university, you'll also see how spacious and open the layout is. There are plenty of walking paths, small gardens, and peaceful corners where students and visitors often relax or study. The environment feels welcoming and easy to explore at your own pace. The surrounding neighborhood, often called Edae, is known for its vibrant student culture, with cafes, shops, and food spots just outside the campus. Even if you're not here for school, the whole area has an energetic but comfortable vibe that many people enjoy. Whether you're here in person or watching from afar, I hope this walk gives you a sense of what makes Ewha Womans University such a special place. Thanks for joining me on this stroll. If you enjoy these simple walking tours, feel free to like and subscribe for more peaceful walks around Seoul and beyond. Let's keep exploring together.